Snake shedding and soap? Can she soap it? I read somewhere that snake shedding is full of keratin, which can be added to soap to provide a silky smooth feel in the final product. I was talking about this with a soapy friend who also breeds snakes, and he mailed me a box of snake shedding from his pets. As unusual as it sounded to me, I knew I couldn't pass up an opportunity to try to make this. I placed a blob of shedding on top of the lye and poured it into the distilled water. After it sat for a day or two, there was a film of shedding left, which I strained out. I used my stick blender to thicken these up just a little bit so that I could get a good hanger swirl. Now to scrape the remaining colors on top and then swirl them together. This batch of soap has already cured, and I sent a bar to my soapy friend who sent me all that snake shedding. Thanks, Andy! I also put a link in the video description for Andy's website. You've got to check out his amazing snakes and the beautiful orchids that he grows. Finally, I do think the shedding adds a nice feel to the soap, and I wouldn't mind making this on a regular basis. I think it's a lovely way to use something from an animal without causing harm or distress to it.